Hey, how's everybody doing? And that concludes a nice week of work with the Zephyr Hills Fire Department coming up on Sunday. So that's going to be a big ticket job. $4,000. It's going to take about 6 hours to do it. So that's a pretty good ticket for one man, one solo operation. So that's going to be a good film. They got some tough dirt on there. We'll be using the Zeta, making a strong mix for some black tough mold that's up on the metal part of their roof. And they got some mold that's pretty heavy on the stucco as well. So, of course, we're going to try the downstreaming on all that first, but there are some tough spots we're going to have to get after. There was a job number 2 today, had to be canceled because of the well pressure was down, the water flow was so poor. It would have taken me 3 days to do the job, waiting on the water to fill the buffer tank. So anyway, we got that all straightened out, and the job's rescheduled for May 19th. I'm booked all the way out to there, and with no end in sight, which is a good thing. And I think I'm going to break a record this month and do over $20,000. So Super Blast is kicking butt and getting after it. Anyway, I hope everybody had a great week, and have lots of work for you guys to do out there. There's a lot of mold growing. Let's get going. All right, I'm Don. Get after it. Hey, good morning. Don here. You guessed it. Getting ready to go to work. Oh, look at that. Saved 10 minutes and $6. There's the rig. Boy, having these bags of ice really helps the day get moving along there. That still looks pretty good from yesterday. Down here in Florida, you better have some fluids. It's going to be in the 80s again today. It's a little chilly out right now. It's actually 62. But today, 2 really good jobs. Got a house, pool, and driveway to start the day off with. Then they have a big house, big pool, and big driveway to end the day. So it's going to be a high ticket day, and there's nothing else to do but let's get the day started. Get after it. Hey, Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. There's the job. There's the rig. All right, let's check it out. The layout's going to be to this side over here. Let's go and check that out. But it just needs a good rinse. The driveway is painted, of course, so we're not going to do anything with it. But it don't look that bad. Now we have all these bushes down the side here. We got this to clean up. But we got windows behind bushes, so I'm gonna have to become inventive. I gotta get that up there. You should be able to get it though. We'll come all the way around to the back. Okay. Actually, it'd probably be better to go through the pool cage when you're doing the outside of the cage. Let's hit this back here. Then you can reel back to the truck when you're done. All right, well, that's going to be the layout. You know what? What are you doing? You're supposed to do a lap. Excuse me. I got the pressure washer on burnout syndrome today. Anyway, the pool cage got mold on it all along the outside. You got green in the screen everywhere. This plant's got to go. They get down. We got it cleaned up. All that stuff in the screen's got to come out. Excuse me while I deal with the plant. Now this is the worst side. We got green on the fascia and the drip edge. And it looks like that's been painted. The soffit's been painted before. I can see the paint that's bubbled up. And they didn't clean it, they just painted right over it. So the painter, another shoddy worker. And then we got all this mold coming across here. All right, let's get after it. All right, we're done all the way down. I got inventive. I just went through the bushes and got all the windows clean. This is all clean. We're going to do a time warp speed on this black mold at the end of the job. That'll be satisfying content. Anyway, now we're going to get on to the front here. Head on down the side of the pool cage and we'll be done with this puppy. I'm done. Let's get after it. We're done with the front. You can see this green coming off the driveway. Check it out. All that pollen. All that pollen going instead of the lawn. Look at that. Amazing how much is in the air this time of the year. All right, now we're set up for the last part of the job. There's the rig. There's the last part of the job and the pool cage. So we're going to come down the side of the house to there. We're going to rinse that off. Then we're going to go out on the outside of the cage. Then we're going to go in. Then we're going to come out. Then we're going to go home and eat lunch. Let's get after it. Done with the whole outside of the cage. Came out nice and squeaky clean. Down the side of the house, we just have to rinse it on the way to the truck. All right, now let's get in here. We got green all up here on the top. See all that green up here? That damn sun's blocking it. Anyway, there, now you can see it. Green all across the pool. Black over there. That jet wash tip's going to come in handy again, folks. There's some black right across the way there. Let's get after it. Okay, I've been asked a lot about what my percentage of SH is coming out of the downstreamer. I'm using a 5 to 8 gallon a minute downstream with a 2.3 rating. Okay, So I'm getting about a 1.6% out of there. As you can see, it just melts everything right off. Most of the jobs I do, 99.9%, I use downstream. So 1.6% is perfect for doing just about anything. If you get anything that's tougher than that, then you got to make a mix. Anyway, I'm Don from Super Blast, and that's the information, man. Get after it. Let's take a quick look. All the mold's gone. Everything looks great. Door's good, windows are good. On to the next one. All right, let's go over the job real quick. Got the driveway all cleaned up. Sidewalks are clean. Soffits are clean. Gutters. Meaning this gutter right here. Windows are clean. All the cobwebs are down. Oh, I got a screen there I gotta fix. We'll be right back. All right, no need to look at the rest. It's all spotlessly clean. I just got to get the customer and give him the bill, and we're gonna do this time-lapse SH cleanup on the side of the house here. Let's go check that out. Okay, this is what we got. All right. Now let's watch the magic. Brand new customers. What do you guys think of today's performance?
I think it was
Perfect.
number 10.
Number 10 and perfect.
It was a blast.
Super blast. All right.
Blast.
Those are happy customers.
Happy.
Get after it. All right, that was really nice. I got a really nice tip. Plus they added money to the ticket as a tip. Gotta like customers like that. They're very happy. That job took me an hour and 50 minutes. That's house and pool cage. And just rinse off the driveway, and I power washed the sidewalk out front with the Mondu. It only took about 5 minutes to do that. Anyway, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing, and that's a wrap. Time to go home for some lunch, take a little break, and then go do the bigger job. It's gonna be a good job. We'll see you there. All right, check it out. Here we are. Got a nice full tank today. Filling up the rig. Got that big fire department to do Sunday morning. It's my 28th wedding anniversary tomorrow. So I'm taking off, taking my wife out to nice lovely dinner tomorrow. It's gonna be great. Gonna be going to the Cheesecake Factory. Good food, and of course they have great cheesecake. But anyway, it's going to be a great day. And we got a big job to do here coming up. That's where we're going to be going next. And we're going to be powered by none other than Ameritech Pressure Washing Systems. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. That's going to make it happen real fast. All right, let's get after it. Hey, Don here from Super Blast. Here I am at the second job. It's a really big job. However, the water pressure was down, so we got a really good well guy. I'm gonna turn my customer on to Charlie from Tri-County Water, and then we'll get this well problem fixed. It's just trickling out of there. There's no way I'll be here all freaking day long. waiting for the buffer tank to fill up. Sometimes it's like that. I'm off tomorrow. Then we're going to be doing the big fire department in Zephyrhills, so that's going to be exciting. No video on Saturday, but a really good video on Sunday. $4,000 ticket. It's going to be a great day. Get after it. Look at this guy, man. He's going to get after it.
Get after it at Halsey point forward.
It's an automatic. Sounds like it's taking a crap.